Spanish step. Bakit very popular ang dito? Christian Dior at saka Balenciaga nandito po. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa lugar na to. Dati po may restaurant dyan. Nasaan? Yung tabi lang ng Balenciaga. Ay, maganda siya. And you can do like this pa. Sister ko naman. Is it really with? Hindi pa naman. So, andito tayo sa Gucci. Diyan na tayo sa Gucci. Ayun na. Ayan ang Spanish step. Nandito na po kami sa Spanish steps. Abay, maganda ngayon ng maganda nga na meron silang flowers. The last time we were here, there's no flowers. So ito po yung Spanish steps. The last time we were here, we stayed in that hotel right there. Excuse me, you're blocking my way. Ay, bukas na naman. So remember, honey, we stayed there. And our terrace is just right there. But it was like in November. It's like coming back again in this place. Ay, andun ang Furla. Punta tayo dyan. Ay, oh, there's the fountain. And finally, in here, they have flowers. Kasi when we were here, like in November, there's no flowers at all. It's raining. So, ito na po ang Spanish step. Bakit very popular ang ba? Kasi, andito, Christian Dior at saka Balenciaga nandito po. Magkakatabi po sila. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, nalala ko dito po kami nagstay. Papakita ko sa inyo ang mga lugar na to. Ayan. Ayan ang Dior, Joy. The Dior. At saka, ayan. Dami pa rin talagang tao. Okay, I'm back again. Back na po ako sa, dito ako sa Spanish Steps. Gandang-ganda talaga ako sa lugar na to. Dati po may restaurant dyan. Nasaan? Yung tabi lang ng Balenciaga. Baka nagsara muna sila, pero kami kakain. Kasi andyan, ang Dior, tapos andun dun yung, tapos dito, titignan niyo po. Diyan puro yan, puro mga luxury siya. Ganda ako. Tapos tingnan naman yung fountain na to. Oh. Fountain! Hindi naman po yan Trevi. There's so many birds coming in. Somebody is feeding the birds. Look at that. Hey, look at that. There's the birds. Pupunta po kami sa Longchamp. Ayaw ko masyadong hindi mahal. Meron, sabi ng sister ko kasi ang laking binayad ko dun sa may kanina. Ay, look at that. Can we, maybe we can do this one. I wanna go around. So, halika na, Joy. Gagamitin ko daw muna ang credit card ng attorney. Kung gusto ko daw bumili something. Look at that. Montclair. Huh? It is so funny. We're in Longchamp right now. There you go. Hello, sir. Every time I come to any country in the Europe, I always take home something to. Oh, maybe it's upstairs. I can't go up anymore. Okay guys, nandito kami sa Longchamp. Siguro itong pinaka every time I go travel, I never miss buying Longchamp. Pero this time, maganda yata kung gusto kong bilhin is yung leather nila. Kasi last na binili ko puro mga lang, mga yung Longchamp nila na yung knitted. Pero ito is leather. Medyo mahal ang konti. So sabi ni attorney, gamitin mo card ko. Sabi ko lang milyon ang laman ng card mo. Ay, anyway, tuwing magta-travel ako at kulang yung aking dala. Yung card niya ginagamit ko, tapos binabayaran ko pag uwi ko. Kanya maganda pag may mga kapatid kang may mga pera. Sila po ang nagbabayad noon. So, I got my...
Hello. How are you?
Okay, good.
This one is the
Ay, ang
first
ganda
one.
nga.
This one is the first one, and this is the second one.
How big it is?
This one is to carry on the cabin. Is the for also EasyJet, Ryanair, also the most problematic.
Ganda siya, oh. Magkano yun? 750. Not bad.
That one 79. This one
75.
790. This one
Okay,
750.
I'm gonna buy it 75. Ay, maganda siya.
I have to ask
And you can do like this pa, oh. Oh, like that.
But are you using often or just when you are
We're traveling.
What's the difference?
The difference this one. This one is the leather is more resistant to the scratch.
Oh, I like that
For
one.
the, you know what it is?
Oh,
For
yeah.
the
Correct,
the
correct.
texture.
And then it's so soft.
That one is beautiful also, resistant like this one, but is smooth, so a little bit more delicate.
Maganda siya.
Okay.
It's
Honey,
resistant
you
as
can
well.
use this for overnight too. That one. I like this one because it's,
This one
Yes.
is our best seller, the top seller,
Yeah.
basically.
You see that one? Pero ang bigat man ito na. It's okay.
You want to know how much is the tax free?
Oh, how much is the tax free?
I'll show you. I'll tell you.
She will pay.
So
Ang problema, hindi ko dala yan.
Ayo.
Okay, I'll be the one paying using my card, but we're on a separate plane.
She's
Will they be looking for
the bag.
where can we get the refund in the airport? Not here?
Yeah, it's always at the airport.
well, did you buy also other items
No.
before, after here? Just this one?
Well, we just went to the Vatican and bought some, stuff. No, there's no tax refund there.
Well, usually they are not checking this kind of items because they are checking more jewelry,
And then that.
watches, you know what I mean?
Okay.
And more precious things.
Malit lang naman to, Joy. Sabi
Now the traffic, the people is a lot, so they have not too much time to say open. Usually no.
Okay.
So
how much is this?
790, right? I already had to tell you. She said 790, no joke.
Well, but it's
750.
better for her for the tax free.
750. She cannot get the tax rate. It's okay. I'll just pay her.
The tax free would be a lot. Because when I'll show you.
Dito kasi uso ang mga tax free. Pag bumibili kayo ng mga mahalin,
Get back
merong
100 euro, 101 euro.
okay. Sabi mo na lang.
Net.
Oo.
Net. This is
But this
physical.
one is 750, right? How much is that?
This one is 750.
Okay. So if I get the tax
This one.
refund of 100, so this will only be like
600.
60.
Yes, 650.
Okay, kukunin ko na.
Teka na, hintayin ko lang si
Okay, she's buying one more.
Yeah.
So gumagawa sila ng... This is the black truffle?
Yes, ma'am.
That's mine then. Wow, black truffle. Paano mag-black truffle siya? You know what? There's one thing I want to do is I'm looking for I can buy truffle. Guys, kumain kami ulit kasi yung una namin kinainan hindi masarap ang pagkain. So ngayon kumain kami. Fettuccine with black truffle. Sister ko naman, fettuccine with calamari. Enchilada daw. Tapos, the best thing here is lunch have a rigatoni. The best thing here is, my gosh, the focaccia is so good. Focaccia is a bread na mainit. Crispy siya. Dip mo na naman sa olive oil at saka balsamic. Ang sarap. I've tried the focaccia. Alam mo, sa Amerika pa lang, ito yung in-order ko. Pero this is the best focaccia. Ha? Grabe. So, masaya na kami ngayon. Masarap ng pagkain namin.